babes, what's up? It's your girl Jamie here. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returner, welcome back. I have missed you. In today's video, I'm going to be selling some items from Walmart.com. I don't know what I was thinking one day, but I went on Walmart and I actually found some cute stuff and I wanted to share them with you guys. So if you guys are down to get into this video, then let's get started. But also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell before we do. If you like fashion and fun content and just all things girly, then this is the channel for you. So come on and join us and be a babe with all of us. Let's get into these outfits. Okay, so the first item is this little skirt. It's a midi skirt with a slit and it's leopard print. I don't know, I've seen so many people wearing these though, and I really wanted to try and give it my own fashion-y spin and see what I think of it. It definitely didn't come in as pictured, but that's okay. Like, it doesn't look awful either, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do with it. But you guys will see when I style it. Okay guys, so I went for a crop top, the jean jacket, some little white sneakers, and the skirt. I feel like this style is what I typically see everyone styling these skirts with. It's really low key, not too much excess, comfy, quick, and easy to throw on. Again, I'm not exactly in love with this skirt. I hate that the inside is lined white. And in the pictures, it's not. The inside has the same leopard. I think it makes it look like a little cheapened. So this is a skirt that I'll probably like wear, but I don't know. I don't exactly know what I do with it, but I do think it's a cute skirt and it was cheap, so it is worth the price. But I think you could find one just as cheap that is higher quality, if we're being honest. The next way that I styled it, I thought would be really cute with just a simple boat square neck type of top with the little frills and a very chunky platform shoe. I thought it'd be super cute and kind of like Y2K vibes. I do like how it came out. However, I think I should have worn this with a white top and maybe like white sneakers, and I think that would have been even more Y2K vibes and super cutesy and stylish. Okay, next is, I love the Golden Girls, and I just thought this top was iconic. It came in a pack of two. I'm gonna show you this one first. It is this shirt with Sophia, and it just says Savage. If you watch the Golden Girls, then you know what's up. I think she's hilarious. I definitely love the big oversized shirts. This is a men's 2XL, so I figured I'd have some room to work around and really play with this top. And it's just like such a funny shirt. Like, I don't know, I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so funny and just such a like vibe type of shirt, you know what I mean? So next I have my super cute Savage shirt. I love it, and I wanted to give it like just a little spin, so I put on some little strappy heels and these leopard print shorts and a belt. I thought it was such a fun way to style it and give it a different look. Because it's so oversized, what I did was like tuck the shirt into the belts instead of trying to just tuck it into the pants, and I think it accentuates the waist more and gives you more of a shape, which I love. And then I paired it with a little leather backpack, even though I think the backpack kind of looks like suspenders in hindsight, so maybe not the backpack, maybe just regular purse. But I do love this outfit and I can see myself rocking this. It's such a fun summery spin on this shirt. The next way I styled it is the way I intended to wear it when I purchased it, with just a simple pair of white sneakers, little backpack, jean jacket, and bike shorts. That's exactly how I envisioned this shirt. I love to wear stuff like this on a regular basis, just running around my house, running out to run errands with my boyfriend. Like, this is what I like to wear. And I feel like this is just such a chill, cute, fun outfit. Throw your hair up in a bun with a nice scrunchie and you are out the door and you look cute and put together without that much effort. The second shirt in that set is this guy, and it truly is just the Golden Girls. Dorothy's shirt says I love Miami, and it says the Golden Girls. This one I think is gonna be a little harder to style because I don't know, it's like purple and it's kind of bright and like calling its own name. So I don't really know how I'm gonna fit this into an outfit, but we're gonna try and figure it out, y'all. Okay guys, so my styling of this shirt was a little different. I just wanted to style it with like light, bright colors. So I did the white little skirt, the little tennis skirt, and a denim jacket, just because in springtime I feel like it's always like low-key chilly at night, so I like to have a denim jacket. And then I paired it with my little Supergas. I thought this was cute and chill and just a simple way to rock this shirt because it is such a pronounced shirt. It almost reminds me of like band shirts, you know? Like, it's very pronounced. It is the statement piece of your outfit, so everything else that you're wearing with it should be pretty mellow and low-key. And the other way I styled this was just a denim on denim fit. Now, I actually love this one, and I would probably wear this the most. I think it's so cute with my little mini backpack. It's just like reminds me of like Y2K, like the denim on denim and the little mini backpacks, everything mini and bright and a little pastel-y in a way, and the white chunky sneakers. Like, wore outfits like this in my childhood, just didn't have the Golden Girls on it. So I love this fit, and I thought it was so fun and simple and something I'd never worn. I barely ever wear denim on denim, and now I think I need to wear it more often. The next one is this dress, which literally just feels like a swimsuit. So quality, like, you know, not it. It's very heavy swimsuity dress, but it is like a little slip dress, a midi slip dress. And I do think it's gonna be comfortable and kind of easy to wear in the summer. Like, probably use this as like a pool cover up or something, because it doesn't, I mean, there's like a little slit, but it's not doing much for you. It's kind of like the sandwich bag slip dress almost. Like, it doesn't have any darting to give you a little bit of a waist accent or anything like that. So we're gonna have to work on her. She's also like a snow leopard print, I guess you could say. And yeah, I thought it looked really cute on the model. Doesn't exactly look how the model looked in it, but we gonna try. Yeah, so if you guys could not already tell, this was not my favorite item, so I just tried to work with it. I liked it with this blazer. I felt like the leather blazer and the chunky heel gave it that like 90s vibe that I was after. I think if I had like worn my hair up with like the two little strands in the front and the little clippy in the back, this is an outfit I could definitely pull off and wear on a night out. Would I wear it? No, because the material of this dress just ain't it. It's honestly going to become a pool cover up, but I did want to style it for you guys and just show you an idea of how you could wear it. And the other way I wore it was with this cute little crop sweater and some Doc Martens. I think this way is so cute and so on trend of the way that you see a lot of people wearing slip dresses, this midi length. I don't see a lot of people wearing them as just a statement piece alone. I think a lot of people are wearing them with like the little sweaters and different pieces, and I really like that. Transforming something you have in your closet into multiple different looks is so smart, so cost effective, and it gives you such a cute little style, so it's like, why not try it out? And the last item is just all for the 90s nostalgia. I mean, look at my shirt right now, okay? I freaking love Hey Arnold. So when I saw this shirt, it was not getting left. I'm sorry, it wasn't. I got this guy also in a men's 2XL, and I love it. It feels good quality. The print is a nice quality on the shirts. But Hey Arnold is literally one of my favorite 90s shows. And I feel like with this one, we're going to lean fully into my 90s girl fantasy. So I hope you guys are ready for that one. Okay guys, this is the one that I probably had the most fun with. Because it's a 2XL, I'm able to wear it as like a little bit of a dress with a little sneaker and my denim jacket. I definitely think I would wear it just like this. Probably just pop my hair up and go on about my day. I think it's so cute and so fun and funky and something different. And it looks perfect and casual for a quick little summer night. The other way I would style it is just with a cute little black skirt. The little pleated skirts are so on trend. I thought it would be perfect because you give it a little edge and then still keep the white sneakers. So you're like feminine but edgy in a way with the little black skirt. I just love the shirt so much. It just breathes nostalgia into my life, and it is what I am always searching for. I love to wear these kind of shirts just chilling and hanging out, and it just gives me such a comfy, casual style. Alright babes, those are all my outfits, so I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so that others who are searching for this type of content can see it too. It really gives our channel a boost. Also, don't forget to comment down below what other clothing store you would like to see me shop at and style pieces from. I love doing this. I think these videos are so much fun to make. I just put on some music and jam. You can see me dancing the whole time while I'm trying on these outfits, and it is such a good vibe. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JamieYvonne __ to see these outfits in live action every single day. And with that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!